So it sounds like once I make this upgrade, it can be pretty self-sustainable, or do I need to keep an agency developer on hand for content updates, improvements, things like that?
Those types of things are going to be a lot easier and much less expensive moving forward from Drupal 8 onward. One thing that organizations often overlook with migrations or replatforms is the internal cost of retraining staff that come with those projects. Usually there's a pretty big change to the user interface and folks get confused. You know, you move the cheese. Going forward, Drupal will be moving on to a small iteration path where users are going to be much more able to adapt to those small changes, greatly then reducing the amount of time and money associated with retraining over the long term. And along that same vein, while those future upgrades will be much easier, we do still recommend going through thorough, industry best practice processes for QA prior to launching or deploying those updates. This wouldn't be really any different than any other content management system, including WordPress, although a lot of folks do just click update on their prod site. That scares the heck out of me. If you don't feel comfortable doing that type of work yourself, or you don't have those internal resources with that expertise, you can certainly rely on an external partner to do that. But the amount of time that that partner would need to spend on those upgrades is going to be greatly reduced, significantly less than what it would have been with past versions of Drupal. Again, more in line with what you would expect to see with just regular monthly maintenance of your site.